Welcome to the Hydro Garden TV channel. This product video is looking at the Ramp Mixed Flow Inline fans. A switch 2-speed mixed flow fan, these fans are optimised for high pressure and quiet air movement. They are available in 100mm, capable of air movement up to 199 meters cubed per hour, 125mm up to 225 meters cubed per hour, 150mm up to 517 meters cubed per hour, and 200mm up to 840 meters cubed per hour. The Ramp Mixed Flow Inline fans have an integral mounting bracket and are available to order with or without IEC leads. Thanks for watching this Hydro Garden video on the Ramp Mixed Flow Inline fans. Please subscribe to our channel for more product videos.